morning, come to golf with us.
Sausage biscuit with cheese, no eggs?
Just got to the golf range. Wes went to go get a cart. Tried not to put any scented stuff on, but the bugs are still at my face. Luckily they're not mosquitoes, they're just like the bugs that are attracted to heat, and I'm such a warm-blooded person. These are our bags. White and blue is me. All black is Wes. I really like his ghost bag. Very sleek, very nice. Just got to the first hole. The other team just teed off, so we have to wait.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Just made it, but like literally right on the green almost. And you went over the water successfully. Luckily over. At hole number 2, hole 1 was a good start. Right, 7 a.m. You're not tired. It's the start of your day. You're in a good mood. Yup, you ripped it.
Where's your orange ball? Okay. Yeah, no, use the orange one. 90 degrees just means do as much as you can on the cart, then come.
Okay, okay.
You hit the top, huh?
Yeah. There's one right here.
150. That's why guys that play with a girl at a tournament that's good, best ball, and if they can hit a drive that's good, they're usually like...
The best situation is a bit better when you play at a course compared to a range. I find when you're at the range, when they come to you is when you're sweating, because you're hitting back to back. You're not often sweating when you play. Oh, it didn't go in the sand. I'll play it. Nice. Very nice. Right on the green. Very good.
Will that work? You want a bad ball? Here, I'll give you one of my balls.
No, my orange is okay.
You might lose in the water.
I have so many.
Here. Come play with me.
Thanks for the charity ball. Mine went right in there. Beautiful. Nice.
Like, perfect height.
Nice.
Right down the middle. That was good. Bro, always put it on your hip and align your hip where you want to go.
To the ball?
Well, to the direction you want to hit.
Oh, okay. Made it over the water.
Made it.
We're at hole at 14.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4.
14. So we have 4 left.
15, 16.
Time for hole 16. I've lost 2 balls so far. Pretty sure both in the water. Nice. Second to last hole, hole 17. There's a house there that has these like shiny things. I'm pretty sure it's because they've been hit multiple times. They're like right at the edge of this hole, and I'm sure they were watching TV and a ball came in.
Look, do your swing regularly.
Maybe I didn't, and now I corrected it.
Yeah, you were doing that.
And I should be doing it. But then I'm gonna hit me up.
Okay, let's go to the mad beast. was good.
Nice, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.